Who says salad has to be boring? Not me. Y'all, I am obsessed with this peach and blueberry salad. I wanted to do a salad using those super sweet peaches and blueberries before summer ends. And this salad is such a celebration of that cusp of fall where like everything's in season. It's got juicy peaches and blueberries, zesty arugula, crunchy sunflower seeds, and marinated chickpeas and onions in this chipotle lime dressing. And that marinade is also your salad dressing. The marinated chickpeas and onions are inspired by my mason jar salad. Because the chickpeas and onions were at the bottom of the jar in the dressing, they just took on all of the amazing flavors of the dressing. The onions almost get like pickled and the chickpeas turn into these little flavor bombs in your salad. The first thing you want to do is make your dressing and get those chickpeas and onions marinating. The dressing is super easy. You just toss everything into a big bowl and mix it together. Then add the chickpeas and onions right to that same bowl and toss everything to coat really well. I like to use my fork or spoon to kind of push everything down so that the chickpeas and the onions are all totally submerged in dressing. Now set this aside to marinate. It's best if you can marinate these for like 30 minutes to an hour. But if you need to eat this sooner, just do this first so that they can marinate while you're making the rest of the salad. Now slice up your peach and your salad is ready to assemble. Add the arugula to a big old mixing bowl and then dump in that chickpea onion dressing mixture. Toss to mix that together really well and then dish up the arugula mixture onto your salad plates. Top it off with the fruit. Then sprinkle on your sunflower seeds. If you don't like sunflower seeds, you can use pumpkin seeds or walnuts or almonds instead. You can serve this salad now, but I love it even more with a nice sprinkle of vegan feta on top. This is a super easy summer salad and it's a great make-ahead recipe too. You can marinate those chickpeas and onions like overnight or even for a couple of days. So prep those ahead and then you can pretty much throw this salad together in like 5 minutes. I love having all the components in the fridge for a quick, easy weekday lunch. I hope that this video answers all of your questions about how to make this peach and blueberry salad. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I am always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!